Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about few of the Zksync era updates, and also we will be talking about the Zksync era airdrop in this video. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before investing or airdrop farming. Now before we move to airdrop and few of the updates, I have made this Twitter page where you can follow it to check for regular crypto airdrop farming tutorials, and also I will be doing few airdrops on this Twitter page, so you can follow it and be updated. So for example, if I receive any airdrop, I can airdrop like around 10 to 20% of those airdrop back to the community. Now let's go and check Alex tweet over here. So as you can see, uh, this is a pretty long tweet, to be honest. I won't be going in all of these details, but we'll be focusing on the main thing over here. So as you can see, the last line over here, the most critical step in achieving this vision of Zksync era is broad decentralization of the network. Now I personally feel that decentralization overall is not possible in the current era, because I mean, if you want to go for complete decentralization, then your token won't be listed on the centralized exchange, and only there would be off ramp, to be honest. So, which is technically not possible. And as you can see, uh, he has also mentioned with a resilient governance framework. So, I think so. The DAO proposals on Zksync era would be coming soon, where the users can actually go ahead and vote. Now, in order to vote on the DAO proposals, you will need a ZKS token, because the reason being, you should have a actually a native token in order to go ahead and vote on the governance proposal. So I think ZKS airdrop should be sooner than enough. Although you have to wait. I mean, there haven't been any official announcement from the team yet, so even I am waiting, and most of the users are waiting, and some of them are already tired with the Zksync era network, because they have been farming for like 3 to 4 years now. And to be honest, it's been pretty long. They haven't done the airdrop for the community, because most of the users have spent a lot of money for farming this airdrop, and also using the ecosystem. And to be honest, I have been using the ecosystem. It's pretty good ecosystem. There's no doubt about it, and I think it has the potential to be the top L2 on the Ethereum. Now, Base is giving quite a stiff competition, because we can see a lot of degens on Base network who are actively trading on the meme coins, especially after the Denkan update, and the gas fees have dropped down drastically. Now there is one user called as Pays on Twitter, and as you can see, he has tweeted like recently that ZKS is coming very soon, and he has also mentioned that based on his data, he can see that around 940k wallets are eligible. Now I'm not sure how true this is, because a few days back, Pays had made a video, a fan video for Zksync, and actually Zksync has reposted his tweet. So I'm not sure whether he's a part of the Zksync era team, or he's just like an ordinary retail investor like us. But if his data is correct, then around 940k wallets would be eligible for Zksync era airdrop. Now there are certain questions that have been asked, like what is the criteria and all of this. I don't think he has an answer for it, but let's wait and watch what would be the criteria and when would be the airdrop. Now Zksync era has also made a tweet about Pudgy Penguins, so I think Pudgy Penguin holders will receive airdrops of Zksync era. So most probably, yeah, because they keep receiving airdrops almost for all the big L2s out there. And Pudgy Penguin were also eligible for Dime airdrop, to be honest. So I think, yeah, Zksync era will and should do a airdrop for Pudgy Penguin holder. Now the next thing is like there is a Clay wallet which is officially supported by Zksync era. Now you don't need a seed phrase for Clave wallet. You simply go ahead and you have to install it on your mobile phone. Now there has been a wait list to get Clave and start using it. So those who had held like few NFTs like UNFT, SOB NFT, they have already received the invitation code, and also on the Zksync era Discord server. If you had used the code as Zksync, then you would have been eligible for starting to interact with Clave. Now, with regards to some latest update on Nansen, Zksync era has a cumulative USD deposits of around 178 million, and it's slowly growing. Although we haven't seen a lot of uh, incoming USDT as of now, but hopefully in the future, as soon as we get a good governance news or Zksync era airdrop news, maybe this can like 10x to 20x. Now you can also use Holdstation. Now Holdstation recently did one launchpad campaign which was for AAI. So that was a AI based token and it went like I think so around 15 to 20x. Although I tried to go ahead and claim it, but I was not eligible for it. And the thing with Holdstation is doing pretty good. Now if I go ahead and check Holdstation price right now, I think it should be anywhere between $6 to $7. So as you can see, it's like $6.2 currently, and there are only 30 million hold stations in total. Now hold station is also doing airdrop chest where you can have a chance to earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also hold station tokens. So basically, if you actually go ahead and stake more than 100 hold station tokens, then you would be eligible for daily chest, and if you hold like 30 hold station tokens, you would be eligible for one chest daily. Now there are some few updates. If we go and check on L2 bit over here, as you can see, mostly this thing is moving on a flat line. So in July 2023, the total locked value was around 735 million, and as per the current date, it's like 724 million. So the TVL on Zksync era is on the sideways as of now. Maybe it will grow in the future as and when the liquidity starts flowing in. So the current issue with Zksync era is having a low liquidity, to be honest, because all the tokens and meme coins are not pumping, and hopefully we can see that change in the coming future. Now there are some issues that they have to resolve, as you can see, because the roll up stage, as you can see in stage 1 and stage 2, there are a couple of issues that have been found. So I don't think these are major issues. They can go ahead and fix this. Now they also have this image of the governance upgrades and governance. So as you can see, Matter Labs, multisig, then governance, and then there would be a governor, and then there would be admin. So hopefully we are expecting the governance soon and the airdrop soon as this thing is done. Now there is another wallet that is coming on Zksync era, which is, or it has already came, which is like Magic Link. Now Magic Link has received a overall 52 million funding, so you can start interacting with Magic, to be honest, because I think they will also do an airdrop in the future for those who are interacting on the Magic wallet. And they have this trusted partner. So as you can see, there is PayPal is there, then Magic Eden is there. Magic Eden is like one of the biggest NFT marketplace on Solana. Then Forbes is there. So here they have mentioned 52 million, but over here they have mentioned like more than 80 million funding. So yeah, if they do a airdrop, this should be a decent airdrop in the future. Now the next thing is there is a native USDC that is coming to Zksync era. Now it's not active as of yet because earlier ZK USDC is now renamed as USDC.E. Now if we go and check the contact address on the Explorer, as you can see, this is the mainnet address for USDC over here, and there have been some interactions, like for example there was one small interaction, so 2 days, 3 days, 4 days back. So this thing is not active as of yet. So you can follow Circle on Twitter in order to receive some more updates with regards to USDC. Now this is the testnet USDC. So as you can see, there have been transactions every hour here and there on the testnet. So you can go ahead, and if you want to actually go ahead and try the testnet, you can go ahead and do it. So in order to try the testnet, you can go to faucet.circle.com, and over here you can request some USDC on Ethereum Sefolia. So simply put in your MetaMask or any other address, Ethereum address, and click on send USDC. So 10 USDC would be sent to you, and then you can go ahead and start interacting on Circle USDC. Now the older USDC was this address, and as you can see, this has been pretty active. So there are a lot of transactions on the currently active USDC. So with regards to finally airdrop, I think it should be very soon. Although don't lose your patience. I think we are expecting the airdrop sooner, hopefully in this month, and we all get a decent airdrop and a decent cut of pie from the overall Zksync era airdrop allocation. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.